Hi, and welcome to Cornerstone Medical Group, where we bring wholeness to your health. If you're here, it's probably because you hate going to your doctor's office. And a lot of times it's because you've had enough of your questions being ignored or just not being answered. Probably it's because you don't feel like you're being valued or you just feel like you're being treated like a number. And what I tend to hear the most of is that you often leave your doctor's office confused. Well, I want to reassure you that you are in the right place because you need to know your health matters most. And because your health matters most, you cannot afford to leave it to the hands of a broken system that's fragmented. And there is a better way, and you have options. But you have to make an informed decision. Welcome to Cornerstone Medical Group. I'm Dr. Sabine Elisee, board certified family medicine physician, fellowship trained in hospice palliative care, CEO and founder of Cornerstone Medical Group. And I have to tell you, I've been working with men and women just like you for over a decade, where I get to serve as a patient physician partnership. I like to call it the PPP. So this is me, but this is how it started. So as you can see here, this is what I would heard. I was born to amazing parents. My mom, who is a registered nurse, and my dad, who's an ordained pastor. I would often see them advocate for men and women in social and spiritual matters. And every Sunday, this is what I would hear as I sat in the pew between my grandmother and mom. Pray for me, church. Or as they would say in my mother tongue, l'église est impliée, est impliée. Well, from there, what would often happen is that this individual would really go into detail about how every time they go to their doctor's office, they are concerned because they feel like they're being ignored. They feel like their doctor is shaming them. They're getting overprescribed medications. They're in that waiting room for hours. Well, that bothered me. It bothered me, and it made me realize that if I go into the medical field, one, I must become a physician and I must provide a better solution. And this is it, direct primary care. Direct primary care isn't anything new. It comes down to your health. You choose. You want to use today's technology with that old fashioned compassion to build a trusted patient physician relationship. And at Cornerstone Medical Group, it is a medical office that listens, counsels, educates, and advocates. Truly, we are here for you. And this is what some people are saying. This is one of our patients, 79-year-old male, been with us since 2019. He is fine that we are prompt, efficient, empathetic, dedicated, and all around wonderful. Thanks, David, for that review. And this is what someone else said, that they realize that truly, and I hope you understand this too, that your health is not just physically what you see. It truly is a combination of your physical, spiritual, and emotional health. All three of those components come together to make you healthy. So we know that this is not for everyone. So who is this not for? This is not for the person who likes to be inconsistent or enjoys wasting time or money. It's not for the person who likes to find excuses or do everything alone, or the person who feels like their health is already perfect, or the person who only trusts Dr. Google or whatever search engine you like. So who is this for? And I hope that's you. This is for the person who wants more energy to take control of their life and their health. This is for the person who wants to save time and money and discover better health and well-being. This is the person who wants to use texts and phone calls to be able to reach their personal physician directly. This is for the person who's ready to bring wholeness to their physical, spiritual, and emotional, cognitive health. And truly, this is for the person who says, you know what? I have invested in everything and everyone else already. It's time for me to bet on myself and invest in my health. So what does this all come down to? This is all about being able to be a part of a group where it's one flat rate, unlimited care. This is the benefits of becoming a member of Cornerstone Medical Group, but you don't only have to be a member in order to see us. You could always come in and just get that extra consultation, get that weight loss visit, get some answers to your questions so that now you know what to do with your health and in your health, and you could start listening to your body. So these next two pages are all the services that are provided for our members. Again, one flat rate, unlimited care. And this is one of the things that people love the most. So what is the cost of you being sick? You know, a lot of times when people think about a family medicine physician, they often say, well, you know, I'm not sick. The thing is, this isn't about sick care. What we do here at Cornerstone Medical Group, what I do with you as your patient physician partner, we look on well care. That's what we focus on, preventive care. What are you doing well that we need to keep on doing so that you can age with grace and dignity and still have that health and vitality that you have now and want to keep? So, what does it cost you when you get sick? These are some of the numbers from the emergency room visits. And look at how high with an emergency room visit the cost is, anywhere between $10,000 and even as low as even in the thousands, nothing lower than that. You cannot afford to be sick. This is what it is. And it doesn't just cost you that money. That's the financial implication. What about the time down? What about the energy that's lost just from having to go through all of that? It's costing you too much to remain sick. That's why we focus on well care, not just sick care. Oh, this is what some of our current members are saying. They feel cared for. Simone said that every time I leave the office, I feel as though all my questions are answered and I have a clear path to action. Are you one of those countless individuals that have many questions about your health and only left with no answers? You're left without answers? Well, this is your chance to join us. We want you to join us for your one flat rate, unlimited physician care. So what does it come with? You have an exclusive health mapping blueprint. This is where we build out a plan of care for you, where we have to know what are those risk factors that are in your family, things that you are noticing that you thought was normal, but really wasn't normal, even though it was common. We have a convenient appointment system for you, where it's same day, next day appointments, no more of this waiting weeks or months to be seen. Access to top doctor plan. My patients, as a member, you have my direct number. You call me whenever you need to, and I encourage you to call. Email me, text me, whatever you want to. So that number that you have, it doesn't go to the office. Literally, it comes directly to me. And I love speaking to my patients. The comprehensive office visit toolkit, right? That's for the many questions that you have. You will get answered. No more of this one visit, one question nonsense or 15-minute appointments. Sometimes that's needed, but a lot of times to build out a real system for you and a plan for you, you need more than that, especially in those first few visits. A tailored goals of care solution. And this is where together, you drive the car, I have the roadmap, I'm in the passenger seat, and I will never drive for you, but we are going to get to the destination that you want and that we build together. And of course, our bonuses. All right, there's that question. Are you a member yet? Bonus number one, simple lab and explanation. I want you to know what's going on in your body. You're never going to hear me say, oh, that's not a big deal. We look at that blood work, we go line by line, and I want you to understand everything in it. Bonus number two, vacation with your physician Rolodex. You know, it's beautiful. I have patients who go out of the country, whether it's South Africa most recently, or one of our first patients was in Mexico City. They're still able to reach me, and I'm still able to be their physician because this is patient physician private care just for you. And of course, bonus number three, our monthly healthy wholeness formulas with your suite, with your support. You have a team of supportive individuals who will be able to give you information that you need so that we could focus on preventive care, not just when you come in, but those reminders that you get in email and video teaching that will help you stay on course. One flat rate, unlimited care. So the retail value of what we do for each patient each year has a retail value of $23,997. That is the value of what we do for each patient each year. Oh, here it is. This is what one of our number members are saying. And this patient actually focused mainly on weight loss. This is what she said. In the journey for weight loss, you want a partner, coach, support system, and medical professional. You know, I'm so proud of Beth because not only was she able to lose that weight when she joined patient physician weight loss, physician guided weight loss, that's what it's called. Not only when she joined that, was she able to lose that weight, but she was also able to get off of her many high cholesterol medications that she was on before. Thanks, Beth. We are so proud of you. So this is what people are saying. And here's the real question. We all know our health is valuable, But the real question is, do you value your health? That question, a lot of times, is a lot harder to answer because many people, they spend most of their time taking care of everyone else. And whatever's left over, they give to themselves. So, do you value your health? That is the retail value of what we do for each patient each year, but we are able to do it for you at a discounted rate of $297 a month. That's less than $10 a day a month. And I'll tell you this, individuals who decide to do the full year, they get 1 month complimentary. That's right, absolutely free. We are so excited about this opportunity that you have to know that you have options when it comes to caring for your health because your health matters most. But more importantly, this investment in yourself, it pales in comparison to what it costs you to stay tired, sick, weary, broken, and weak. Join me and the Cornerstone family. I personally look forward to welcoming you. See you soon.